Need to figure out exactly what your monthly boat payment will be before you buy? Let me show you how. Head over to the boat loan calculator at foundthetool.com. The tool gives you an instant breakdown of your monthly payment and total loan cost. No guessing required. Let's start with the boat price. Say you found a great vessel priced at $75,000. Click the boat price field and type that in. Next, enter your down payment. We'll put down $15,000, which is 20% of the purchase price, a solid starting point for most marine loans. Now enter the interest rate your lender is offering. We'll use 7.5% for this example. Finally, choose your loan term. A 15-year term is popular for larger boat loans, so let's go with that. Hit calculate, and the results appear instantly. Let's scroll down to see the full breakdown. There it is. Your estimated monthly payment is shown right at the top, with a full breakdown of the total amount financed, total interest paid, and the overall cost of the loan. You can also scroll down to see the complete payment breakdown, which makes it easy to compare different loan scenarios side by side. Want to see how a bigger down payment or shorter term changes things? Just update the numbers and recalculate. It only takes a few seconds. The boat loan calculator at foundthetool.com is completely free to use. Try it before your next trip to the marina and head into financing with full confidence.